County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, southwestern Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Trempealeau, or near Winona, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2 inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh my gosh.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
Oh
The
god,
following
it scared me,
acts are
man.
expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Damn.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Trempealeau around 5:30 p.m. Dakota around 5:40 p.m. Bryce Prairie around 5:45 p.m.
How does it
On
actually...
Alaska, Holland and La Crosse Airport around 5:55 p.m. La Crosse and French Island around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Thoreau State Park, Marshland, Interstate 90 exit 275, Pickwick, Interstate 90 exit 2, Interstate 90 exit 266, and Interstate 90 exit 272. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
How did
building.
that not even activate either?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Winona, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, La Crosse, and Trempealeau. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK-41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin listening area. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Tuesday for Buffalo and Winona counties. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 12 a.m. Wednesday for Buffalo, Dodge, Fillmore, Goodhue, Houston, Mauer, Olmsted, Wabasha, and Winona counties. For more information, go to weather.gov/lacrosse. And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Late this afternoon.